welcome back to our channel Cash Club. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of online surveys and uncovering the top 10 highest paying survey sites in 2023. If you're looking to make some extra cash from the comfort of your home, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to reveal the best opportunities to earn big money online. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so as not to miss any of our updates. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel from the link in the description box. Let's get started now. Understanding the world of online surveys. Before we dive into the specific survey sites, let's first understand the concept of online surveys. Companies and market research firms are constantly seeking valuable consumer opinions to improve their products and services. By participating in surveys, you can provide your feedback and get paid for your time and opinions. Criteria for selecting the highest paying survey sites. Now, it's important to note that not all survey sites are created equal. To compile this list, we considered several factors such as payout rates, survey availability, user reviews, and overall reputation. Our goal is to ensure you have the best chances of earning substantial income. So, without further ado, let's unveil the top 10 highest paying survey sites in 2023. Survey site number 1, Survey Junkie. Starting off our list is Survey Junkie, a well-established platform known for its high payout rates and extensive survey opportunities. Survey Junkie has a user-friendly interface and offers a points-based system that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Survey site number 2, Swagbucks. Next up, we have Swagbucks, a popular survey site that not only offers surveys but also provides multiple ways to earn money, including watching videos, playing games, and searching the web. Swagbucks rewards users with points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Survey site number 3, Vindale Research. Vindale Research is another top contender when it comes to high-paying survey sites. They offer a wide range of surveys and even provide opportunities for product testing. Vindale Research pays in cash, and users can receive payments through PayPal. Survey site number 4, Taluna Influencers. Taluna Influencers is a platform that not only offers surveys but also provides opportunities for product testing and participating in online polls. They have a large community of users and offer various rewards, including cash, gift cards, and merchandise. Survey site number 5, Inbox Dollars. Moving on, we have Inbox Dollars, which offers surveys as well as other earning opportunities such as watching videos, playing games, and reading emails. Inbox Dollars pays in cash, and users can request payment once they reach the minimum threshold. Survey site number 6, Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is known for its exclusive and high-paying surveys. They focus on product testing and offer a flat rate for each completed survey. Pinecone Research pays in cash or offers the option to redeem points for various rewards. Survey site number 7, MyPoints. MyPoints is a versatile platform that offers surveys, shopping rewards, and even cashback for online purchases. They have been around for a while and have a good reputation for prompt payments and a wide range of survey opportunities. Survey site number 9, Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a platform that offers surveys, paid offers, and even the chance to earn by watching videos or completing micro-tasks. They have a low payout threshold and provide various payment options, including PayPal and gift cards. Survey site number 10, YouGov. Last but not least, we have YouGov, a well-known survey site that focuses on gathering opinions on a wide range of topics, including politics, brands, and current events. YouGov offers points for completed surveys, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Tips for maximizing earnings. Now that we've covered the top 10 highest paying survey sites, let's discuss some tips to help you maximize your earnings. First, make sure to complete your profile and provide accurate information. This will increase your chances of receiving targeted survey invitations. Additionally, try to check the survey sites regularly for new opportunities, as surveys may have limited slots available. Finally, consider signing up for multiple survey sites to increase your earning potential. Beware of scams. While there are many legitimate survey sites out there, it's important to be cautious and watch out for potential scams. Never pay to join a survey site or provide sensitive information like your credit card details. Legitimate survey sites will never ask for such information. It's important to remember that participating in online surveys won't make you rich overnight, but it can be a great way to earn extra money in your spare time. The top 10 highest paying survey sites we discussed today offer legitimate opportunities to earn cash and rewards. So, go ahead and explore these sites, find the ones that resonate with you, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and also click the link in the video description to join our Telegram channel for more exciting updates. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy surveying and happy earning!